I believe that this guy was able to make a lot of money with this method, and you can too. You just need to. One of my subscribers told me that he had turned in a $50 deposit and $136,000 in 4 months of trading using only one strategy. And today I replenished my account with exactly the same amount to check how it works and earn some money. I will give my honest opinion about this method. I show you the step-by-step account setup, I tell you the secrets of this technique, and I show you everything using my example. My goal is to grow my $50, so I start by setting up my account. I include a chart type Kindles with a time frame of 1 minute. Then I find 3 indicators: Kettner channel, statistic Castellator, and Williams. Let's start with Kettner. The EMA period is 15, ATR Heiss period, I'm changing to 15, multiplayer I'm changing to 2. I change the color lines a little and turn some off so that you can understand it more comfortably. Then I work with the statistic. I'm changing K period to 15, changing D period to 2, changing this moving period to 2, and I'm also changing the line style. It remains to change the Williams indicator. I'm changing the period to 15. And that's all you need to get started. I will take risks to earn as much as possible, so I will use $50 for the first trade. I will start with a buy position. The time, Wakawi, is 5 minutes, the green button, and everything begins. Yeah, friends, if the first trade is unprofitable, it will be bad for me and I will have to start over. But I am almost sure that this will not happen because I found an ingenious situation for that strategy. Look at this, my friends. I'm doing everything according to the instructions. The first step I took was to find a moment when the kidney channel was broken. Kindles went beyond the indicator boundary and then came back 4 minutes later. It's very visible. Look at this. Then I checked the statistic in Williams and saw that these 2 indicators were duplicated. The main line is also moving in a critically low position and it's starting to return. I realized that I was at the very beginning on this signal and quickly decided to open it by trace. Because in the next 5 to 10, maybe 20 minutes, the price will return to the channel and continue to rise. It's simple. It's the right entry point for this strategy. As my subscriber said, he made a bad trade when he opened a position where the price returned to the channel. And this is very, very important. Therefore, if you see something similar, don't open a trade when the Kindles have just broken the channel or 20 minutes have passed it. Your entry point for the signal is the moment when the price starts to bounce back. And now we'll use a real example to test this. I made a net profit of $46 in 5 minutes. Was really lucky that I found that situation first, and this is a very, very good example for you. I'll show you how it works. $96 is a lot easier to work with, so 10 minutes later I found another good signal. This is a buy trade. Everything works the same as last time. The trade time is 5 minutes. I think you already understood why I opened a position just now and why I choose this currency pair. I showed you everything a couple of minutes ago, so let's just look at it. My opinion about this strategy will be at the end of the video, but right now I can say that each of you should try it, because all the strategies for price reversal with a Katanar channel are very similar and work well. I use this channel, I use this indicator, this Katanar channel every day, and I know that if you use it correctly in a system, it will make a profit. It's a very good indicator, but you always need to keep in mind the rules and secrets. For example, one of the secrets of this method is choosing a Kindle pattern. Yeah, my friends, look at a currency pair right now. Look at this. It looks like a zigzag, and every 10 minutes the price moment change. Sometimes it falls, sometimes it rises, sometimes it falls, and so on. I don't see a carrier. I don't see a trend or cancellation here for the hardware. It's a simple, classic currency pair that works like a zigzag, and here you can catch a lot of good signals. So look for something similar. It will work. The signal looked much stronger than the last one, and here I also made a profit. You already experienced it, guys, so let's repeat the lesson. First, I found a moment when the Kindles broke the Ketnut channel. Secondly, I waited for the moment when the price starts to return back to the channel and check the indicator lines. They also started to return. 3. I have opened a trade for sale for 5 minutes, and I'm waiting for the price to fall. 4. I check the pattern of the currency pair and see that everything is moving like a zigzag. All the steps are completed, all according to the instructions. It's very good. Friends, if I work it on my own, I would stop. I have already increased my capital several times. Look at that. Look at my balance. But for you, I will try again. Okay, in order not to risk the net profit, I will choose a small amount and open a trade for sale here. This signal is a bit risky because I don't like the Kindle pattern. It looks like a zigzag. But I see consolidation. It may hinder me before, I don't know, what the result will be, and I'm just waiting. I have already tripled my account. Yeah, friends, look at my balance. All signals have been analyzed. All rules have been used, and I can give an opinion. Yeah, that's a really good strategy. But for it to work perfectly, you need to practice. I believe that this guy was able to make a lot of money with this method, and you can too. You just need to practice. Yeah, friends, you just need to practice with the settings. The more trades you open like this, the more likely you'll figure out how to work with it every day. Try it on a demo account if you're afraid of losses, and then test it with a real bounce. It's simple. Okay, look at this. I got a loss. I was expecting this. Yeah, friends, it's important for me to show you that losses also happen. Yeah, I could have made it even more money and sum it up, but this trade messed it up a bit. Okay, not scary. Write your opinion in the comments. I hope this lesson was useful to you. It's a really good trading session. So practice the strategy and send your results. It's very interesting for me. Don't forget about $100 for 5 friends and people in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. Just write me something to my Telegram link and my contact only in a video description. In the next video, will 5 people randomly and send money. That's it, guys. In the last video, maybe next time, it will be you. Act right now. I wish you good luck and see you soon on my YouTube channel.